Assalamualaikum. This is Cinderella Mary, student of BA 2.5 morning. My subject is critical thinking and reflective practice, and topic is theoretical aspect of reflection. Assignment submitted to Ma'am Sumaira Khan. As we know about the theoretical aspect of reflection, but now we will know about detail its. What is theoretical aspect? It is the idea that our knowledge reflects the real world. There are a variety of versions of reflection theory. In other words, theoretical are those aspects of science that focus on building models and applying them to data in order to form an understanding to a set of phenomena. Generally, the word theoretical is used in science to express contrast of experimental. Now we will discuss according to our some points. When someone asks you anyone would ever become a teacher, remind them why it's worth it. Every job has its ups and downs, but not every job can change a life. Now we will talk about becoming a reflective teacher. How can we become a reflective teacher? There are some points about how can we become a reflective teacher. Be a reflective teacher honestly. Look at for you to form time to time. Evaluate the purpose of your role as a teacher. It is according to Robert John. Becoming a critically reflective teacher. Teaching. A teacher's pedagogical skill is the classroom can be linked with the quantity and quality. We do not learn from experience. We learn from the reflecting on experience. What is reflective practice? An active process of witnessing one's own experience in order to take a close look and explore it in depth. जैसा कि हम यहाँ लिखा हुआ है कि हाउ कैन वी बिकम अ रिफ्लेक्टिव टीचर, तो हमें इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए एज अ पर्सनल नॉलेज है बेस। तो हमारे पास पर्सनल नॉलेज जो है उसकी बेस ज़रूर होनी चाहिए, जबकि हमारे पास बुनियाद नहीं होगी तो हम एक अच्छे टीचर नहीं बन सकते। लेकिन अगर हमारे पास नॉलेज होगी तो हम इन चीज़ों को ज़रूर मद्देनज़र रख सकते हैं, जिसमें है पीयर रिव्यू, फाइंड आउट, प्लान, डू, रिफ्लेक्ट एंड शेयर। और इसके साथ हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज बेस भी होना चाहिए। स्किल फॉर रिफ्लेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस। और जबकि ये रिफ्लेक्टिव टीचर के जो स्किल्स हैं, जो इसके हुनर हैं, हमें कौन कौन से आने चाहिए एज अ रिफ्लेक्टिव टीचर। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। हमें एक मसले हल करने वाला टीचर होना चाहिए ताकि कोई भी ऐसी बात हो तो हम उसे अपने टाइम हल करने वाले हो सके। एबिलिटी टू बिल्ड आ एग्जिस्टिंग नॉलेज। हमारे पास एक खासियत होनी चाहिए कि हम उनकी जो है नॉलेज बिल्ड करने वाले हो सके। एबिलिटी टू एक्सप्लोर क्वेश्चन इन डेप्थ। हमें ये भी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि हम गहराई से कैसे सवालात को जांच कर सकते हैं या उसको हल कर सकते हैं। एबिलिटी टू बी अ क्रिटिकली अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए क्रिटिकली, कि हमें ये खासियत भी होनी चाहिए कि हम कैसे अवेयर करने वाले हो सकें। ओपन माइंडेडनेस, मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए, एबिलिटी टू कॉल, एबिलिटी टू यूज़ थ्योरिकल परस्पेक्टिव। तो appropriately ability to gather information and critically evaluate it. Ability to learn from experience। हमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखने वाले होना चाहिए। ability to learn, ability to create their own knowledge। हमें ये भी ability होनी चाहिए कि हम अपनी नॉलेज को कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं। Types of reflection। There are two types of reflection. Reflection in action, reflection on action. Reflection in action as we are practicing, but it does not interrupt our action. Reflection on action, reflection afterward on what we did and what we learned from it. Example: reflection in action. You are in lecture and keep being distract by thinking about what you have for lunch. And second example is you want to get the most the lecture, so need to find a way to help you focus. And the third is you decide to start making some notes to the key points. And now we will talk about reflection on action. You notice that sometime after a lecture you can't remember what was covered. You find out the lecture topic in advance and write down some question you want to answer. You make notes during the lecture to help you focus. Teachers reflective practice. Characteristics of reflective teacher. Reflective teacher attempt to solve classroom problems. एक रिफ्लेक्टिव टीचर को कैसे होना चाहिए कि वो अपनी क्लास के तमाम मसले मसाइल को हल करने वाला हो सके. आर अवेयरनेस टू द बिलीफ एंड वैल्यूज़ द ब्रिंग टू टीचर. टेक अ पार्ट इन curriculum development. Take a responsibility for their own professional development and are involved in school change effort. Theoretical aspect of reflection. Experience, action past, present. Planning, making plan in order to take further action. Observation, documenting what happened. Reflection, making sense. Why should we do it? A raised sense of self-awareness, a greater sense of knowing that you are good at what you are not. You are more prepared to tackle change in both areas. A greater understanding of practice. The more you reflect, the more you will understand what works in different learning situations as well as what does not. An improvement in our area of practice. You can make use of your strength and develop your weakness to develop professionally. Without reflection, we go blindly and our way, creating more unintended consequences and failing achieve anything useful. Activities that promote reflection, reflective dialogue, observing and stripping classroom activity, nothing journal, impression, chunking classroom activity, analyzing social organization and teaching activity, question techniques, charting classroom movement, writing to reflect on teaching, post lesson critical reflection on critical incident in teaching learning situation. Thank you.